KODAK 7XPro 108 cm, 43-inch, Ultra HD, 4K, LED Smart Android TV. Product information. Brilliant visuals. Offering Ultra HD resolution with added depth, true colors and textures, the KODAK 7XPro TV renders an engaging viewing experience. And you can enjoy crystal clear and realistic images, as it is compatible with 4K HD resolution too. So, whether you are watching a TV series, a live sporting event, or playing a game, this TV is sure to keep you immersed and entertained. Custom interface. Integrated with an Android operating system, this TV provides content from anywhere in the world. And it employs artificial intelligence to design a personalized interface according to your content preferences. Moreover, with a memory optimization feature, a rapid boost improves the processing speed and precision of this TV. Elegant design. Featuring a sleek bezel-less design, this elegant TV lends any living space a sophisticated touch. Smooth performance. Housing an Amlogic chipset with an ARM Cortex-A53 processor that operates at clock speeds of up to 1.4 GHz, a quad-core CPU, and a Mali quad-core GPU, this TV renders seamless performance. Several connectivity options. Sporting a host of different plug-in options and ports, this TV is designed to offer a smooth viewing experience. With connectivity options, such as a USB port, an HDMI port, and Bluetooth, this TV enables you to connect practically any peripheral of your choice. And you can also use your Android Chromecast or iOS AirPlay app to cast content from other smart devices, such as your smartphone, tablet, or laptop, onto this TV for a larger-than-life view. Engaging oral experience. Built with a powerful 40 watts speaker, this TV delivers clear and impactful sound to complement and boost its high-quality visuals. And you can take your pick from a slew of sound modes to enjoy a cinematic effect in the comfort of your home. Google Assistant. You can effortlessly control this TV using simple voice commands, thanks to its built-in Google Assistant, which can be activated at the push of a button on the remote. Just say, "OK Google" to get answers to your questions, search and stream content, and load multiplayer games. Besides, you can also connect it to smart home devices and conveniently view your calendar, manage tasks, and even dim the lights. Lifelike gameplay. Featuring HDR10 technology and a 4K display, this TV lets you enter the world of realistic gaming. Moreover, its clock speeds of up to 1.4 GHz offer seamless gameplay without a hitch. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.